Man, this trading week, guys, was terrible. It was flip-flopping me around in all aspects of space. This week, I've owned just about every single airline company and we were trading it, trying to make it. So please fasten in your seatbelts and enjoy the ride in this video. So this week, I was trading Boeing, American Airlines, United Airlines, Delta Airlines, and what else? I know we got more. I know we have more. Southwest Airlines. I was trying to catch the bottom. I'm trying to trade it, but for the most part, I'm also trying to let some positions ride out, give them a little bit more space to run, make a profit, and that was killing me. I'm always trading. I'm not investing, and me trying to invest today and this whole week was not good, and it killed my profits. We could have made at least $400 to $500 more on this trading week if we weren't holding our positions and trying to let them run. Instead, we kept getting stopped out. Terrible and frustrating. So frustrating to the point, man, I swear I had to walk away from the computer, punching my fists together because it was just, I don't know, it was just too real. I can't handle it. Emotional trading. I'm still new at this. I have no idea
what I'm doing.
First, I'm going to show you guys the market. Then I'm going to quickly recap my trade and my positions. Not going to be a long video like the last one because 34 views in a week. Come on, man. Y'all ain't watching this, so you don't want to see this. Here is the stock market, SPY, the S&P 500. Went all the way down here, recovered here. There's a 50% mark somewhere right around this level, which it broke. And it's trying to make its way into this gray zone, which again is the no trade zone. There was a green trend line which broke the other day, and it still tried to climb up, which if it's under the trend line, it's a fake momentum move up. So later on, you'll see me shorting the market. I shorted the market on Friday, and dang, I really hope that works out because we are eating dirt right now. So that's the position of the market. Are we going to be able to move our way up to the top where we were in February before this whole coronavirus started? It's crazy if we do make our way up there. It just shows you how volatile this market is. And a lot of people probably sold their assets, sold their 401ks, switched their 401ks into stable whatnot bonds. And look what happened. Y'all just made a big mistake as well. So what's going to happen next? We don't know exactly what's going to happen next. We can just only take our positions, fasten in our seatbelts, and enjoy the ride. And this week, between our winners and losers, we are closing the week up, baby. That's all that matters. $67 for the week. And year to date, let's see what we are rolling with. We are still in the profit zone, baby. $2,000 up. $2,000 up. Can't complain right now. If our other positions improve, we will greatly increase that number, but hey, we got to see what's going to happen. So let's talk about our trading positions here right now. And again, guys, here is a 15-minute chart of the stocks I'm going to show. Here is a daily chart of the stocks I'm going to show. And right around here are my positions that I'm currently holding. So J-Dust is still the inverse gold, and we are down $1,000. USO is oil, and we all know what's going on with oil. It's been going down. It's slowly trying to recover right over here. You see we had that huge volume that sold off, a little bit pushed back up, and now we just need some volume to go back up and lock in some profits. Man, our average is pretty high right now. This stock had a reverse split. So both of these two first stocks have a reverse split, so we're just going to ride it out, see what happens. And the next stock was Southwest Airlines. We are still down pretty heavily on this one, and our position is right here. You know, there's a gap that needs to be filled, but we'll see. It's really got to break this trend line right over here for us to have any kind of momentum up. And short term, it is starting to move up, as you can see, but we are still rolling in the red. Now, today, Friday, we decided to short the market because the market was moving up. And man, I'm telling you, one day, I mean, within a couple of minutes, 20, 30 minutes, we are down $655. And it's just a sea of red. I think this stock today, we purchased it right over here. We were up for a little bit. We wanted to see it ride out more, and it just closed red, completely red. Now this is a very volatile stock, as you can see by the price action. It went from $40 to $1,000, and here we are right here. This is a volatility play. So I thought it would be a smart idea to buy its brother UVXY to short the market. And again, we are red on this trade as well, $150 within a few minutes. So these two things are really killing me, but hopefully into next week the market will go down, as I'm predicting it might. That's the position we're going to take. I mean, this has kind of been oversold. If you look at it right here, there's a gap here, there's a gap here, and there's a gap here. So we're going to hope that this volatility index stocks go up. And currently they are still trading after hours, so it is moving, but I was down as much as $700 on this TVIX stock. United Airlines, man, last week I made a video. We thought we were buying the bottom right over here when it came down, and it actually, we thought it was going to retest this trend line and hold support, and it just broke down. See, it rejected the trend line again, and finally now we're moving over the trend line. So is this it? Is this the one confirmation that we want? Is this gonna start rolling up and trending back up? We won't know until we find out. The only trade that really I was able to profit on was American Airlines. I just sold my position today, Friday. Half of my position here, we locked in $200. So this week I'm charting down exactly how much we're actually profiting, and we're actually taking the profits, okay? Because again, that $67, that's for the performance of the week, only shows you total profits, losses, but not take-home pay. So my take-home pay, American Airlines this week, $310. And American Airlines was very hard to trade. I got stopped out multiple times, very frustrating. Boeing came out with a slight loss. Not a big enough loss to even mention, but it was just such a tricky play, and we went heavy on this with a lot of money, and yeah, we just got out with a slight loss. Delta Airlines, we locked in about $45. Again, we could have locked in a lot more, but it tricked us. The market was sloppy, and at least we got out with some money. Now Beyond, this is the worst trade of the week that I want to show you guys. Beyond Meat, it was an earnings play. Last week we were down $500, and let me show you guys what happened, because this trade could have made me a lot of money, and I just completely missed out on this trade. So what happened here? Let's talk about it right here. The stock announced earnings after hours, and it spiked up, and then it went back down. In the morning it started trending up to $112, and then I saw it going down before the market was going to open, and an analyst downgraded it to about, whatever, $70 a share. I got scared. I was more scared to lose money than to make money, and I got out. And I got out with $450, but my price targets for this stock originally when they announced earnings was $118 and $130 per share. And look what happened as soon as the market opened. Climbed up to 118. That could have been our first partial right there, and then we could have let the rest of the stocks ride. 120, 123, 125, and it hit 129 after hours there. And look what happened later. Hit 131 after hours. Took a nosedive the next day, and today, Friday, it hit $136. So that could have been, depending on where we would have sold, an easy $1,000 winner, which we missed out on the whole move. Still grateful we made some money, but again, emotional trading, scared money don't make money, and that is a perfect example. And again, because of this trade that I wasn't able to capture all this money, I was scared in the markets this week. I was aggressive trying to make some money up for that, and it was just not going for me. Again, the airlines were very choppy, kicking me out of positions, very frustrating. The trend wasn't your friend. I should have been a thief, like a trader, and taken my money when I had profits, and going from there. I would have been better off this week in it. But again, guys, hopefully next week the market turns down. I'm not sure what's gonna happen because the market's supposedly reopening, so we'll have to run it, play it by ear. Again, these short positions are very scary because they lose value over time, And if we're wrong, we're gonna be wrong and we're gonna suffer. So hopefully that's not the case. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Support your boy. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. And let's get more than 34 views for this video, please and thank you. Catch you on the next video, guys. Thanks. I ain't here for the money.